Ruel Reid was quote-unquote fired by the Prime Minister on March 20th of this year from the cabinet, from the government, from the Ministry of Education. Fired, severed, cut. From a common sense perspective, well-thinking Jamaicans would assume that seeing that the Prime Minister would have severed all ties with one Ruel Reid from the ministry, from the cabinet, from everything, that would also encompass Ruel Reid in his capacity as caretaker and chairman for the Centre and Northwest constituency representing the Jamaica Labour Party. How wrong I was. As it became clear, abundantly so, over a period of time, that Ruel Reid was not only still the caretaker representing the Jamaica Labour Party in the constituency, but he was also campaigning actively in said constituency, despite the fact that many a times the chairman or the general secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party and Minister of National Security, Horace Chang, stated that Ruel Reid was no longer representing the Jamaica Labour Party in Northwest Centre. Ruel Reid said, "Is lie them lie." And during an interview with Cliff Hughes, he said that he was still the caretaker for the constituency. Secrets does Ruel Reid hold for the government, of the government, with the government, over the government? Can you imagine the Prime Minister saying fire the man for everything related to the government, and the man can come up to last week Monday, come say him still is a standard bearer for the government, who claims say them fire him from every post where him hold for the party and the government, and the man say, yo, nothing no go so. JLP has Ruel Reid's resignation letter as caretaker, says Chang. So the claim made on Monday by the sacked former Minister of Education, Ruel Reid, that he is still the Jamaica Labour Party's caretaker and candidate for the Northwest Centre constituency, despite being under criminal investigation, has seemingly been shut down by the party. But a million times before this, them shoot it down. And what kind of gun them a fire, so what gonna shot them a fire? Blanks. The JLP in a statement late on Monday said Reid resigned as the chairman and caretaker for the constituency on September 15. And herein lies the problem. Peeps, them come attack so the man resign on the 15th. Like say, that mean much. If he resigned on the 15th of September, it means that the man was still actively representing the government from March the 20th when he was fired by the Prime Minister. If you don't see how that made the Prime Minister look weak, then you not seen very well. If you don't see how that made the Jamaica Labour Party look like a party shop, you love party too much. If I never did see it for myself, I would have never believe it. The man resigned officially the 15th of September, when the party has been saying vehemently, vociferously, definitively that the man is not the caretaker candidate for the constituency. Reid, who was fired by the Prime Minister Andrew Wallace on March 20 as a corruption scandal threatened to erupt at the Ministry of Education and at least one of its affiliated agencies, the Caribbean Maritime University, is presently a subject of criminal investigation. In a radio interview on Monday, the lay preacher and former senator claimed that he is still representing the governing party in the constituency. Me not think people understand the true meaning of Ruel Reid saying that. Me not think people get it. Me not think people understand how it make the Prime Minister and Horace Chang look like when you lick fowl with kitchen cloth and then lean up. Me not understand if people see the Prime Minister, forget about the Prime Ministership, you know. Andrew Wallace may not wield as much power in the Jamaica Labour Party as you would think. Or is the Prime Minister biding his time, hoping that the storm will pass and Ruel Reid will be gradually reintroduced to the people of Jamaica? So in the radio interview, Ruel Reid said him still representing the governing party in the constituency. Yes, Reid responded when asked if he's still the JLP caretaker for the constituency. That is also a matter that we are looking to resolve. What do you mean? After the Prime Minister fired this man for everything, what I mean this is a matter that we're looking to resolve in September after he was fired in March. When pressed about whether he is really still representing the party in the constituency, Reid said yes, on paper, officially so. And I am in discussion with the leadership of the party. When pressed even further, Reid reminded the host that they had a discussion in which he, Reid, had advised that he had not officially tendered his resignation to the JLP as constituency representative. And we have an agreement as to the way forward. I'm going to read that again. And we have an agreement as to the way forward. And I believe that the leadership will communicate that shortly. According to the statement, the party is in possession of Reid's letter of resignation. As such, well, the letter was dated the 15th of September 2019. So up to last week, the man was still the caretaker candidate for Centre and Northwestern. The statement said the former minister tendered the resignation via email and followed up with a hard copy. As such, Chang said Reid is not representing the JLP in any capacity in Northwest Centre. Or could this be a poor move by Ruel Reid for say, look here, mine on our dinner because member say me no say. But despite Chang now stating that Reid had formally resigned, there are still questions about why it took so long, all of 6 months, for him to do so. Especially since the party's top brass, including Chang, has for months been stating that Reid had either resigned or was about to resign and was not doing any work in the constituency on behalf of the JLP.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.